Welcome back to Kapampangan TV. Today, we're cooking a true Kapampangan classic, Pampanga-style Bangus in Tocho, also known as Tinochohang Bangus. Unlike tomato-based versions, this traditional Pampanga recipe highlights the bold, savory-sour flavors of tahure, fermented tofu, tausi, and vinegar. It's sharp, aromatic, and deeply comforting, the kind of dish that proves simple ingredients can create powerful flavors. Perfect with steaming hot rice and best enjoyed fresh off the stove. Ingredients: cooking oil, 3 medium, approximate 1 kg, milkfish, sliced into steaks or fillets and seasoned with salt. 5 squares firm tofu, tokwa, each square is cut into 3, optional but highly traditional in Pampanga. 1 thumb-sized ginger julienned. 4 cloves garlic minced. 1 medium onion sliced. 2 squares tahure, fermented yellow tofu. Half a cup tausi, salted black beans, rinsed. Half a cup vinegar. 1 cup water. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, to balance the vinegar. Salt and ground black pepper to taste. Procedure: fry the seasoned bangus until golden brown and crispy. If using tofu, tokwa, fry them until the edges are golden. Set both aside. In a small bowl, mash the tahure squares until they form a smooth paste. In a clean pan, sauté the ginger first until fragrant. Followed by the garlic and onions. Add the mashed tahure and rinsed tausi to the pan. Sauté for a minute to release their aroma. Pour in the vinegar and water. Let it boil without stirring for 2 to 3 minutes to cook off the raw vinegar taste. Add the brown sugar, salt, use sparingly as the beans are salty, and pepper. Lower the heat and add the fried fish and tofu. Simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing the fish to soak up the sauce. Serve hot with steamed rice. And there you have it, Pampanga-style Bangus in Tocho, rich in heritage and big on flavor. If you enjoyed this authentic Kapampangan dish, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more traditional Filipino recipes straight from the heart of the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again here on Kapampangan TV, where heritage cooking always shines.